doing that up there. Wowee, how'd you get enough paper to... Santa must have been busy with that.
How you got up there?
Where's the camera at, dear?
Over there, I'm working my way back.
Santa couldn't fit down the chimney with this one.
Oh,
No, he called.
What do you think it is, Easton? What do you think it is?
What's in there?
It's pretty big.
Is it clothes?
It must be
You
something
think
like
there's clothes in
that.
there?
A new bed.
Easton,
A big boy
you
bed.
think there's clothes in there? Yeah? No?
And we even let Spencer.
How about books?
How
There's
bad
books
is
in
that?
there. No.
Trains?
What's in there?
You think there's trains in there?
What do you think?
Every Thomas train ever made? Is that what's in it?
That present's bigger than you.
You want some help?
Okay, now what?
Watch your fingers.
Vinny, watch out.
Watch out, watch out. I don't know.
And your daddy gets the other end.
Do you see anything? Can you see? Look.
Yes, I can.
What is
What?
A toy.
A toy?
It's a train.
You think it's a train in there?
What kind of train?
What kind of train would be in there?
it? Okay. What about now? Can you get it open now?
Ben.
What's in there? Wow. What is...
Belly's it.
Trash.
It's the island of Tudor.
I need a snowboard.
Wowee.
It's a big green table.
Another big train table. Oh my gosh, Easton, look at that.
Turntable and some...
Take it out.
Take it out, Daddy.
Take
Take it out.
Where are we going to put it? Right there? We're putting it right there. Putting it right there.
Does it have legs or not legs on it now?
No, I need...
Oh, it's real big. It's real big. Oh, the turntable.
Oh, no. Here it is.
Where's Spencer? You should get Spencer on this track.
Spencer's over here on the couch. Uh-oh, we got a Finny
Oh no,
on
there's
the
a
couch.
monster in the island of Sodor.
A big red one.
A big red Finnegan monster.